Hello everyone! Hello po sa inyong lahat. In today's video, I will make this frog. And I am using 100% cotton yarn, a 3.0mm crochet hook, a darning needle, and a safety eyes. We will make a magic ring. Chain 1 and 6 single crochet inside the magic ring. Once you're done with your 6 single crochet inside the magic ring, slip stitch and pull the tip of the yarn. Slip stitch and chain 1, 2 single crochet in each of the chain for a total of 12 single crochet. Once you have 12 single crochet, slip stitch on the first chain, chain 1, and 1 single crochet on the first chain, 2 single crochet on the second chain. Repeat this round until you will have 18 single crochet all the way around. Once you're done with your 18 single crochet, slip stitch on the first chain, chain 1, and 1 single crochet on each of the 2 chain, 1 single crochet on the first chain, 1 single crochet on the second chain, and 2 single crochet on the third chain. Repeat this round until you will have 24 single crochet all the way around. Once you're done with your 24 single crochet, slip stitch on the first chain, chain 1, and 1 single crochet on each of the 3 chains, 1 single crochet on the first chain, 1 single crochet on the second chain, 1 single crochet on the third chain, and 2 single crochet on the fourth chain. Repeat this round until you will have 30 single crochet. Once you're done with your 30 single crochet, you will see this chain 1 on the middle of the stitch. Wag na lang i-chain yung chain 1 because it's not counted. Slip stitch on the first chain, chain 1, and work 1 single crochet in each of the chain all around for a total of 30 single crochet. Once you're done with your 30 single crochet, slip stitch on the first chain, chain 1. And what we're going to do now is to decrease the chain, and we need to go back to 24 stitches. So we need to make a decrease. So insert your hook on the next chain, and you have 3 loops and decrease. Mark your first decrease stitch and 1 single crochet on each of the 3 chains, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet on the second chain, 1 single crochet on the third chain, and repeat decrease. Insert your hook and insert your hook on the next chain and pull 3 loops, single crochet on next chain, single crochet on the next chain, and single crochet on the third chain, and decrease. Repeat this round until you will have 24 stitches or chain. Once you're done with your 24 stitches all the way around, slip stitch on the first chain and chain 1. And for this round 8, we will do a decrease mark your first decrease and single crochet on the next two chain, and repeat this round until you will have 18 stitches. Once you're done with your 18 stitches, for round 9 we will decrease 1 stitches and single crochet on the next. Decrease, and 1 single crochet on the next chain. Decrease, and 1 single crochet on the next chain. Repeat this round until you will have 12 stitches all around. Once you're done with your 12 stitches all the way around, slip stitch on the stitch marker, chain 1, and for this round 9, we will put a stuffing or pwedeng cotton, ilalagay nyo sa loob ng inyong amigurumi or doll. Once you're done with this stuffing, for this round 10 you should have 6 stitches all the way around. Don't forget to slip stitch and chain 1. Insert your hook on the first chain, insert your hook on the second chain, and decrease. Repeat this round and you should. Once you're done with these 6 stitches, and for this round we will need to hide all the ends of the yarn. For this round we will make a hands of the frog. Slip knot and chain 2. 1, 2. Yarn over and half double crochet on the first chain. And you will just need to repeat 3 more hands of the frog and secure the ends of the yarn. For the eyes, I just make a magic ring and 6 single crochet inside the ring and another 6 single crochet on each of the 6 stitches. Then you need to make 1 more eyes for the frog. For this round, we will make the belly of the frog. Make a magic ring and chain 1 and 6 single crochet inside the ring. slip stitch on the first chain, chain 1, and 2 single crochet each of the chain for a total of 12 single crochet. Once you're done with the 12 stitches, slip stitch, chain 1, and for this round you will need to make 1 single crochet on the first chain and 2 single crochet on the second chain, and repeat this round until you will have 18 stitches. Once you're done with the 18 single crochet stitches, slip stitch on the first chain, chain 1, and make one more round of 18 stitches single crochet. Once you're done with the 18 stitches, slip stitch on the first chain and cut the yarn.